Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Kicks All Day. I hope everybody having a blessed day on this good old Saturday. It's like 100-some degrees outside. It's hot as hell, man. But anyway, I got two unboxings for y'all. First, I'm going to do the True Red 13s. A lot of y'all already saw these, but for the ones that didn't, here they go. I had these, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, 2014. If I'm not mistaken, I think I had these in 2014 before I went to jail, but I lost everything when I came home. But I got them back. These True Reds is really something special, man. Really something special. Got the Jordan right here on the toe part. Then you got the Jumpman on the tongue. You also got the holographic 23 right there in the inside of the bubble. They all come with this little plastic thing on there. I don't never take it off though, but this little True Red a little lighter than the old version. It got some good leather material on them also. They ain't cut no corners with these. As you can see, no flaws, no glue stains, or none of that on these. And that's good for it to be a wide general release. Also, you got the white hints with the red hint in the inside on the bottom with the red Jumpman. But yeah, this a good shoe overall. They still got them in stores too, y'all. Like, I think it's like smaller sizes, but for the people out here in Phoenix, I think they got them in all sizes at Undefeated. That's where I got these and the other pair of shoes I'm going to show y'all. We're going to get to those in a minute. But yeah, these a good shoe overall. I'm glad they all got the black bottom on the side. You can't even mess these up for real. But yeah, man, let's go and jump right into these good old UNC and black 14s, man. Yeah, these ashy too. But I think they ashy like that because the paper and the type of suede material it is, I think the paper is rubbing off on the shoes what's making them look the little ashy color. But yeah, it's a good shoe, man. I like the UNC blue. That look good hitting off this black. Also right here with the Jumpman with the UNC blue going around there. Then you got the little grill looking thing right here on the side. Also on the bottom. All black right there with the Roman numeral 14 right there. Then you got the Jumpman at the top in gray and the 23 in black. You don't got the little light things like on the Ferraris, which is right here. Show y'all the difference right now. See, these got the little light things right there, but they both got the little tire mark. Which one of these y'all like better? I can't decide. Both of them look good, but this like an everyday shoe. You can wear this with almost anything. These mugs look good. I also got the Jordan at the top on the tip of the tongue. Also the Roman numeral 14 on the inside of the tongue. Then you got the UNC Jumpman on the inside of the shoe. Yeah, these are good shoes. I don't believe these sold out that fast on the Nike app and sneaker app. These mud was just gone just that fast, bro. But yeah, drop in the comments which one of these y'all like better, man. The Ferraris or the UNC boys. But that's all I got for today, man. I'll be back with some more heat for y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.